In this video, I'll show you how to download the code from your Lovable project. First, go to lovable.dev and make sure you're signed into the correct workspace. Find the project you want, then open it. On the left, you'll see the chat, and on the right, the project preview. One way to get your code is to scroll down to the section where your prompt was executed. Click the code button, and from there you can copy and paste all of the code manually. But there's an easier method, connecting GitHub. From your workspace, click on GitHub icon, then choose Connect GitHub. Next, click on Connect Project. Choose Transfer Anyway. Once connected, you can click View on GitHub to open the repository. From there, just click Code and select Download Zip. This will download a zip file containing all of your project code. Open the zip file, and inside you'll find everything you need, the full source code for your Lovable app.